Hello, hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Sarath Kumar Behra. I'm data analyst and senior data analyst and Power BI developer. So today we'll see one important topic in Power BI, which can help to enhance your understanding and enhance your capabilities to build a report, dynamic report in Power BI. So let's see the demo first, then we'll start from scratch. Okay, so this is one dashboard I have built. So how it works, for example, my data is having three KPIs: sales, cost and profit. I want to see the total sale, total cost and total profit. And if I want to say cumulative sales, cumulative cost and cumulative profit, so everything in a single chart, I want to see all those things. Okay, and how? Let's see here. For example, I want to see sales. So once I click on the cells should be highlighted, the things to be changed, like it should be understood by the user that this has been selected. This looks like a card, but I'll tell you this is not a card. I'll tell you how we need to build this one. But once I select the cells, and niche you can see in below that there is a cumulative or not. If I want to see the cumulative cells, then I need to click on S. If I select S, then the graph will show like the cumulative cells for my data set. Okay, if I do not want to see cumulative cells, if I want to see the non-cumulative cells like exact cells what happens in the month, then I click on the no, then it will show the exact cells month wise trend. Okay, month wise in a bar chart. If I select on S, it is a cumulative as total running total, you can say, like Jan, Feb and March. For example, in the month of March it is a running total for Jan, Feb and March, cumulative of Jan, Feb and March. So it is showing the sales for the month of March. Okay, similarly, not only for this particular KPI sales, I want to see the KPI for cost as well. And if I don't want to see the cumulative, I can hit on no button and it will show the exact monthly cost. If I want to see S, then it will show the cumulative cost. Similarly, if I click on profit, it will show, now it is S, cumulative is selected as S, that means it is showing the cumulative sales for month wise. And if I hit on no, then it is showing the exact profit month wise. So these are the things, and we can also filter. This is dynamic, so this is showing for United States. Now if I click on United Kingdom, the data has been changed to United Kingdom. Any country I select, everything is dynamic, it is getting changed. So how I'll build this one, let us do it from the scratch. Okay, I'm just minimizing this one. Let's go to the my blank Power BI where nothing is there, only it is having the data. Okay, this is my data set. Okay, and if I go to the model, so nothing is built, customer is also, it is not connected, it is not the relationship has not been built. So only I am having one table, that is the data table. And how my data is having, data is having region, country, customer, business segment, like different segments are there: bike, clothing, components, accessories, all those things are available. Category wise, product category wise, model wise, color wise, sales date wise. What we are having, we are having the quantity, we are having the sales, we are having the profit, and we are having the cost. Okay, so let's go to the see this one, sales cost. I am little worried here because I do not understand, this is so in general. I am little worried whether this data format is correct or not. So let's see how to change the data type of because my main KPI depends on sales and profit and cost. So let's go to the transform data and transform data here. So let's see the main KPI on top of which columns I need to build, that is in proper format or not. So that is my first. See, it is not. I think where it is. No, 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 no. Cells. Yeah, yeah, it is there. Cells is in decimal. Perfect. Cost is in decimal. Perfect. And profit is also in decimal. If it is not, then you can change here. Okay, fine. It's fine. It is there. Close and apply. Okay, nothing to change, no worries. So I want one date column, one date dimension date table where all the date unique dates should be there. uh, okay, and that I need to connect with my this data table, and the date table should be connected with the data table to filter out and play with the dates. Okay, so for that we need to create uh, one one dimension date table. Okay, so in this section, table and tools sorry, home section, so there is called new table. Let's hit on the new table and give the table name like dim underscore date. I want to create a one calendar table which will contain the minimum date of my data table and maximum date of the my data table. So let's click on the minimum of sales date. I think, yeah, sales date of my data table, and maximum sales date of my data table. Close the brackets. Now it is created, and let's change the format of this one. So I want dd mmmyy format. Let's hit enter. Now it's perfect. And my date data table also I need to make the format change. It should look like this. Yeah, it is there, dd mmmyy. Fine. So my data table is having the same format. My dim table is also same format I created. Now let's go to here and create one more new column which will contain the year of this entire dates. So there is a year function, year of this date column. Okay, similarly I want my new column. I want my month number is equal to month of my date column. Fine, close the bracket. This is my month number, and I need another new column that will be I want to show like month dash year. Okay, in this way. So let's click here, like it will be month underscore year. So it will be format the dim table of dim date column, comma I want in this format mmmyy. Okay, yeah, so this is done. I need this four columns here. Okay, to visualize the dates. Okay, okay, fine. Now let's go to here and do the relationships. Okay, manage relationships, add a new relationship. I want to the dim date table. I want to select that column here, data table, and the sales date. Where is the sales date? Transaction date. So this is the transaction date. Cardinality, I have to use one to many relationship because the dim table having unique values. Okay, that is one, and here data table is having the many, so one to many relationship. Cross filter is single direction, and make this relation is active. Save it. Okay, so now we have created the relationship. Okay, fine. Let's validate whether it is working perfect or not. So let's create one chart here, bar chart. Okay, and I need to dim table. I need to put in x-axis year, and then month of number. Okay, and y-axis. Okay, anything I need to bring. For example, cells is there. I want to just see whether it is working perfect or not. So sum of cells, for example, in y-axis. Yeah, so it is perfectly my relationship is working fine. Okay, perfect. So let it sort it by year, month, number. Okay, sorting is not done. So here I can select this one, sort by month number. Okay, first I need to show Jan, then Feb, like this way. January going to end, so let's make it a different way. My date table, this one I want to sort this month number, sort by month number. Okay, here I need to sort the axis in ascending order. Yeah, Jan has come fast. Let's see. Yeah, so January, February, March, like this way it comes fine. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, let make the x-axis bold so that you can see. Yeah, it is perfectly it is visible. Okay, so this is done. Back to normal. This is done. The thing is working fine. Our model is working fine. We have created the relationship. Now let's go and create one measure table, because we need to create all those measures for cumulative cells, sum of cells, column, like all those things we need to create. So for that, let's go to and create a new table. Okay, so create a new table. Okay,